Welcome back to the Hayden Fox channel, where we help you ease your parenting journey and be the best parents possible to maximize your kids' potential. In this video today, we're diving into a topic filled with excitement and anticipation, preparing your child for a new sibling. The journey of expanding your family is a beautiful one, and we're here to guide you through it. Before we embark on this adventure, remember to collect your free parenting gifts on our website, haydenfoxmedia.com. They are specially curated resources that are guaranteed to be super helpful on your parenting journey. So let's gather around and explore the art of preparing your little one for a new addition to the family. Ready to dive into the wonderful world of siblinghood? Let's get started. The first step in this journey is delicately introducing the concept of a new sibling to your child. It's like unveiling a magical surprise, exciting and filled with wonder. Begin by keeping it simple and age-appropriate. Share the news in a way that resonates with your child's understanding. Whether it's a picture book, a family meeting, or a gentle conversation during playtime, make it a special moment. Time for the sibling storytime adventure. Choose a book that illustrates the arrival of a new brother or sister. As you read together, encourage your child to ask questions and share their thoughts. This not only sparks their curiosity, but also lays the foundation for open communication. Now that we've embarked on this beautiful journey of introducing the idea of a new sibling, let's prepare to sail into our next strategy. Now that the secret is out, let's transform the journey into a collaborative adventure. Involving your child in preparations for the new arrival creates a sense of ownership and excitement. Start with baby-related tasks. For example, you can let them help choose the baby clothes, set up the nursery, or pick out a special toy for their new sibling. This not only fosters a sense of responsibility, but also reinforces the idea that they're an essential part of this exciting chapter. Enter the Baby Prep Challenge. Create a checklist of tasks and involve your child in completing them. From folding baby clothes to arranging the nursery, turn each activity into a fun game. The more engaged they are, the more they'll feel connected to the upcoming arrival. Now that we've dived into the preparations for the new family member, let's get ready for the next leg of our journey. As the big day approaches for the family, let's focus on building the foundation for a strong sibling bond. It's about creating an atmosphere of love, curiosity, and shared experiences. Encourage your child to express their feelings and expectations. Whether through drawings, stories, or casual conversations, giving them a platform to share fosters emotional connection. Time for the sibling scrapbook adventure. Together, create a scrapbook filled with memories and expectations for the new sibling. This not only serves as a beautiful keepsake, but also reinforces the idea that they're embarking on this journey together. And there we have it, 3 heartwarming strategies to prepare your child for the arrival of a new sibling. But before you click off the video, remember to claim your exclusive free gifts on our website, haydenfoxmedia.com. These resources are crafted with love to support you on this exciting journey of growing your family. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and share your own sibling stories or any tips you have in the comments below. Thank you for joining us today, and here's to the beautiful adventure of expanding your family.